Looking for a seamless way to play your MP3 player or iPod through your 2007 Honda Pilot's base model radio? This FM modulator offers a clean, interference-free connection that transforms your driving soundtrack without the usual static or fading issues. Installing this product was straightforward, even with Honda's unique wiring setup. It requires adapters to connect the FM modulator to the antenna, but once connected, everything fits neatly inside the dashboard. The switch and plug can be mounted discreetly under the auxiliary outlet, keeping your cabin tidy and organized. What sets this modulator apart is its solid build quality and reliable performance. Unlike traditional FM transmitters that struggle with signal interference and inconsistent sound, this device delivers clear audio without background noise, even when driving through multiple cities over long trips. During a recent 6-hour road trip, it played music flawlessly from both an MP3 player and an iPod. No fading, no static, just consistent, high-quality sound. That level of dependability makes a noticeable difference when you're on the road for hours. If you've dealt with frustrating FM transmitters that drop out or sound weak, this modulator is worth a look. It's designed specifically to work well with the Honda Pilot's wiring and radio system, so you get a clean, professional installation and a better listening experience. What you get is peace of mind knowing your music will play smoothly every time you drive. The product's thoughtful design and easy setup mean you spend less time fiddling and more time enjoying your favorite tunes. If that's you, someone who values clear sound and hassle-free installation, this FM modulator could be exactly what you need. It's a simple upgrade that changes how you enjoy music in your car. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your Honda Pilot's audio system. It's a reliable, well-built solution that keeps your music playing strong, no matter where the road takes you.